Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you um, what I look for into a open source projects. Um, I guess the first thing is the complexity of the software. I guess a metaphor for it would be like a hiker, mountain hiker want to climb every mountain, and one of their I guess life goal is like to climb Mount Everest. To me, Chromium, the Chromium browser is like that to me. Like it's like one of those big projects that I want to contribute code. Um, I want to contribute to it. And it was lightweight. It was more lightweight than Firefox and the Internet Explorer. And um, this is Firefox. And let me look for Internet Explorer. And um, before Chrome became a big project, you had Internet Explorer, which was like the big browser, and then the alternative to Internet Explorer was Firefox, which was like the only open source project. And currently, Chromium or Google Chrome, it's like cutting edge. It has like um the latest technology. It's the latest features. Chrome has an open source browser. It aims to build a um, faster, more stable way for all users to experience the web. Um, I guess these two resonate to me: safer and faster. Um, I could be wrong, but I think Google Chrome was the first browser that had sandbox. They sandbox the users um, web browser session, so you don't have computer viruses downloaded in your computer. I think they were the first one to implement sandbox, but I could be wrong. And I guess I like faster because when I started using Google Chrome, when it first came out, it just worked. I like the project. I guess the app because it just works and it's fast. And like I guess I'm gonna show you um issue. I guess I'm gonna show you an issue that I'm working on for the Chromium browser. Um, when I first started, I was just searching. Um, I started searching for a good first bug in the list. Um, this seemed this this issue I found in the good first list. Because I don't know, I like video games and it was a good first issue um and it just interested me like being able to support more than four connected gamepads. Um um when I first read it, um I read it multiple times. Like it took I think an hour just to go through the discussion and in this number 24, comment number 24. um I guess this was a task adding a flag and metrics, and Um, yeah, I posted here. I would like to work on this issue, adding the flag and metrics. Um, by flag, um, they meant this. You're able, you're once you go to Chrome flags, you can enable that feature just by clicking enable or disable. Um, that was a task, which I end up writing the code for it. Let me look for the pull request. Um, yeah, I wrote I wrote, I made a pull request and um for that, enabling the feature flag and by just um um once I did a pull request, I got a response back from one of the maintainers. Basically, they're saying that they're moving away from what was proposed and what's it issue 28. We Oh, here. Oh, but I can't find it, but it was basically saying that they're moving away from the previous 24. From this, they're moving away from this proposal. Instead, um they're going for this. They're explaining that there's an ongoing work to deprecate the shared memory buffer, and they're um going to an event-driven model for gamepad updates. And then the maintainer gave me a new list of tasks that I can work on while well they're implementing this event driven model. And um on my Windows machine, I have it on my Windows machine, and I completed several of these tasks. I guess that's the first project. um this is one of the I guess this is an example of how I look into an open source project. It's the complexity, like how it just seems hard, and just by that it motivates me, like, oh, that's hard, and that just motivates me on try to contribute to a project. And the next thing is the mission. um I guess the mission of Chromium is to build a browser that's fast and safe for users that's using the web. And then and then I just didn't like using I guess the competitors, the Internet Explorer and Firefox. I just didn't like using their web browser, and I searched for alternative web browser, and I found Google Chrome. And Google Chrome is based on the Chromium web browser, which is open source.